Today, I'm at Manhattan Motorcars in New York City for the uncrating of my friend's new Lamborghini Countach. This is the new version of the iconic Italian supercar that was first revealed to the world in 1971. It makes over 800 horsepower and it starts at $2.6 million. So, let's go uncrate it. So there is the crate on the truck right over there. I can't wait for the crate to touch the ground and be opened.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, this time they're on time.
So here is the brand new Lamborghini Countach LPI 800-4. To honor the Countach's 50th anniversary, Lamborghini brought it back in modernized form. They built just 112 examples, which is a callback to LP 112, the original Countach's internal project name that was used during development. Like the Scion, the new Countach uses a 48-volt electric motor powered by a supercapacitor. This pairs with a mid-mounted V12 to generate a combined 802 horsepower. The engine makes 769 horsepower on its own, and the electric motor makes 33 horsepower. This power is sent to all four wheels through a 7-speed automated manual transmission. The body and chassis are made from carbon fiber, and the interior has modern touches like an 8.4-inch touchscreen, 3D printed air vents, and a photochromatic glass roof that darkens the view of the sky at the push of a button. It weighs 3,516 pounds dry and has a top speed of 221 miles per hour. It can do 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. This specific example is the third and final Countach delivered by Manhattan Motorcars. As you can see, it's finished in a triple white spec to match the Countach in the iconic Wolf of Wall Street movie. It's painted in Bianco Asopo, with the rims painted in Bianco Icy, and the interior features Bianco Leda leather. My favorite part about the interior is the Italian tricolore painted cover for the engine start-stop button. That looks so cool. So yes, this new Countach is essentially a rebodied Aventador with the heart and soul of a Scion, but I think Lamborghini did a good job recreating the original's iconic design for modern audiences. So we're here in Miami, Florida at the Concours Club, which is a members-only automotive country club that has a racetrack, a lounge, a restaurant and bar, private garages, and more. We're currently doing a photo shoot with the Countach, and after this we're gonna get some videos of it driving on the street, which will be awesome to see. And if you pay close attention, you'll see later that this fully stock car shoots flames while it's driving.